Hi guys, I'm Karun from SRM Institute of Science and Technology. Today I'm here representing myself from Team Aurora. I have been wanting to participate in Technoxian World Robotics Championship ever since I heard about it in 2022, and I finally got the opportunity, and this time I am participating in the Drone Rescue Challenge. For the past 6 months I have been developing on a quadrotor that is a bit of an overkill, but it has quite a few capabilities than asked for, and I look forward to participating in the challenge and winning the competition hopefully. All the best to all the other participants, and see you all soon.